Why don't you like haddock, man? That's just not
It's
right.
a whitefish. It's very good.
Why are you all pink, Mom? Are you having another experience?
Yes.
Why should do this every time we come out?
I never have done this in a long time.
Tommy, we're going to need to throw your hat in the dryer when we get home.
Trouble
Your hat's got a big wet spot on the one side.
Yeah, from the rain.
Yes.
Oh, lordy.
Oh. Maybe he had a big lump in his
He's
throat.
coughing again.
It's okay. I get like that.
No, you don't. It's
Yes, I
not that
do.
bad.
Once in a while.
You're going to get your drink fixed in a... Tell him what you
I
want.
got a soda and I did not get my raspberry.
Oh, Tommy's coughing. Oh, we're going to try.
I got a wrong drink. It's supposed to be raspberry ice.
Oh, I thought you said Pepsi, honey. I'll get that for you then. What are we having?
Thanks.
Mom, what do you
I'll
want?
have the fillet of haddock.
Fried or brewed?
I'll have it broiled, please.
Okay.
And I'll have mashed potatoes and light gravy. And I like the chicken gravy with that.
Yeah.
Or whatever gravy you put on that. And I'll have the cup of the bisque soup.
Okay. I'm going to be on her check. Is that okay? Here's what I'm going to do. The grilled chicken Chesapeake. And for my two sides, could I get... And I love the hollandaise sauce. It's delicious. For my sides, could I get the French fries as the one? And you can put the hollandaise sauce over the fries. And for the other side, could I get the soup in place of the veggie? The seafood soup? Yeah. Thank you.
Good, Tom.
Meatloaf
Okay.
and
Your two sides?
asparagus and mashed potatoes.
Do you want the asparagus soft cooked?
What asparagus?
Is that?
Asparagus.
No, we have green beans tonight.
Green meat.
No asparagus. Oh. You're all right, T. You like the green beans instead? All right.
What would you like?
Big beer, ham roast soup,
Okay.
mushroom gravy,
He always gets the applesauce.
It's good for him.
All right, I'll get your raspberry tea.
Oh, thank you.
another water soup.
And we'll take some more of this whenever you get a chance. Thanks so much. We enjoy that. I'll take that piece of wow. Thanks, Tina. Guys, you all successfully ordered. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, thanks.
Mommy?
I need some butter.
Well, then take the last one.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I guess I'll eat it butterless.
Butterless.
Tommy, do you like butter in your bread?
Where's your butter, Rick?
Yeah, sometimes.
Wait, I'll give you the rest of this butter.
Now that you drank, you probably won't cough so much.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's,
it's
that's
there.
what you needed.
No, it's there.
You needed a drink.
Except for the phlegm.
I hate when I get that. I don't like it.
All right, say bye to everybody, Mom.
Bye.